Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today the topic we are going to discuss is why China and Taiwan are preparing for war. If you have not subscribed our channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss any updates. Recently, US-China tensions have reached an all-time high as Nancy Pelosi becomes the highest-ranked US diplomat to visit Taiwan in 25 years. Here the question is, but why is China so furious and why is the US getting involved? Let's walk into the history. First of all, I will be giving you a little background. In 1949, after a civil war, the first Chinese Communist Party beat the Nationalist Party. The Nationalists were forced to flee the Chinese mainland to an island called Taiwan. Here the interesting thing is that no party to this day recognizes the other's sovereignty. China considers Taiwan as its part and Taiwan considers mainland China as its parts. And this is the root cause of all tensions today. Here is another question that why does China want Taiwan? Apart from historical pride, Taiwan is geopolitically very important. If China captures Taiwan, it will have even more control over the South China Sea, which sees an annual $5.3 trillion or 33% of global maritime trade pass through it. Taiwan has an unreal monopoly in the manufacture of semiconductors which are used in all the electrical devices in the world. China controlling this would make it immensely powerful in an increasingly digital world. As you can see, others 15%, China 6%, South Korea 16%, and Taiwan 63%, which is huge. Moving forward with another question that says, why is USA getting involved? USA has no choice other than defending Taiwan in case of Chinese attack. Taiwan is an ally, China is not. If USA does not defend Taiwan, what's stopping China from invading other nations? All in all, USA does not want this situation to repeat. Do you think India should be ready to join its side if a war breaks out? Let us know your opinion in the comment section. If you find the content helpful, please like the video and share with others. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.